Mixing it up, understanding mixed conditionals in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an intriguing aspect of English grammar, mixed conditionals. These are special kind of conditional sentences that allow us to express a wide range of scenarios. They might seem a little tricky at first, but with some practice, you'll be using them like a pro. Let's get started. Mixed conditionals are sentences with different tenses used in the if clause and the main clause. They help us discuss unreal or hypothetical situations across different time frames. Typically, a mixed conditional sentence refers to an unreal past condition and its probable present or future result. Here's an example. If I had studied harder, I wouldn't be failing this class. In this sentence, if I had studied harder, is an unreal past condition, because you didn't actually study harder, and I wouldn't be failing this class is the probable present result. The mixed conditional is composed of two clauses, the if clause, condition, and the main clause, result. The if clause uses the past perfect, had plus past participle, and the main clause uses the conditional. Remember that the order of clauses doesn't change the meaning. Thus, the previous example could also be written as, I wouldn't be failing this class if I had studied harder. It's easy to get mixed conditionals confused with third conditionals. The main difference is that while third conditionals talk about a hypothetical past and its result in the past, mixed conditionals talk about a hypothetical past and its result in the present or future. Let's compare. Mixed conditional. If I had studied harder, I wouldn't be failing this class. Past hypothetical action, present result. Third conditional. If I had studied harder, I wouldn't have failed this class. Past hypothetical action, past result. Let's see more examples of mixed conditionals and practice together. 1. If I had saved more money last year, I could go on a vacation now. 2. She wouldn't be late if she had left home earlier. 3. If you had listened to me, you wouldn't be in this mess. Try to create your own mixed conditional sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that wraps up our discussion on mixed conditionals. I hope this lesson has made you more comfortable with this intriguing aspect of English grammar. Remember, the key is practice. Try using mixed conditionals in your daily conversations or writings, and soon enough, it will become second nature. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.